My science fair project is about 5G, whether it is a technical advancement or a medical hazard. Every day, millions of people are using devices, and these devices all require a network. 5G is a newly added network, and it has it operates on a higher frequency than other networks. And because of this, some people are afraid that it is dangerous to humans. I wanted to test out if this is true or not, so I conducted some experiments about the um, the dangers of it. My research question is: do the signals from 5G affect the human body? In my review of literature, I discovered that 5G uh, was part of the microwave band, and it was non-ionizing. And I also discovered the inverse square law, which meant that the radiation decayed over distance. I also discussed how 5G could potentially be 5G could potentially be shielded. Um, there are three general factors that reduce the exposure: the time exposed, the distance from the source, and the shielding. These are all ways that 5G companies protect users from being exposed to the dangerous radiations. I went to Palmyra and Hershey's nearby 5G towers and collected some data. I graphed my data. After that, I analyzed that although the distance from the towers could not be determined, I was in a residential area, which meant that, and I detected that the signals were safe, which meant that normal people, if they were in a residential area, then they should be fine. I also discovered that the radiation intensity, as proved from my review of literature, that it decreased intensely over the distance by testing various lengths of distances radiation from my home router. With all of this said, it can be concluded that 5G is not dangerous to human beings if you're in the residential area and if you have proper shielding. However, if you are extremely near the 5G tower, then it could have some serious health implications if you stay there for too long.